We're going to solve the following compound inequality. The reason why it's called a compound inequality is because there are two inequalities. And I'm going to show you step by step how to solve this inequality. We have negative 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 5 less than or equal to 19. You notice that you have the plus 5, so you have to subtract 5 from both sides. And we have negative 3 minus 5, which gives us negative 8, is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than or equal to 14, which is 19 minus 5. You notice that we have, next to the x, we have a 2. So we're going to have to divide both sides by 2. So we're left with negative 8 divided by 2, which is negative 4, less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 7. So you notice this is going to be an and, or we called intersection. So we have our number line, we have 0, and we have negative 4 and 7. And you notice we have an equal sign, so therefore it's going to be a closed dot. And if we read this inequality starting with an x, we have x is less than or equal to 7. That means what numbers are less than or equal to 7? Well, we know that 7 is equal to 7, and numbers that are less are 6, 5, so we know that it's going to go in this direction. On the other side of the inequality, we have x is greater than or equal to negative 4. So we know that negative 4 is equal to negative 4, and we know numbers that are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1 are going to be larger. And you notice that the two arrows intersect, and so they intersect between negative 4 and 7. So in order for us to describe this in interval notation, we have close bracket negative 4 through 7, close bracket. The closed bracket indicates that we include negative 4 and 7 in the solution. The comma indicates it's all the numbers between negative 4 and 7.